Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Broan-NuTone 413004 non-duct ductless range hood with lights exhaust fan for under cabinet, 30-inch, stainless steel. High-quality ductless range hood insert. Stainless steel hood insert improves ventilation and lighting over your stove with the non-duct filtration system that effectively removes smoke and odors. Effective incandescent lighting. A protective lamp lens distributes light evenly over the cooktop and accepts up to 75 W bulb not included. Easy care. Charcoal filter is replaceable so you can maintain optimum grease capture and keep the kitchen fresh. Versatile. Separate rocker switches control the light and the 2-speed fan for easy use. Bulb recommended type A19. Ideal size. Range hood insert measures 30-inch and should be installed at least 18 above cooktop. Minimum height above cooktop, 18 inches. 75 watt cooktop lighting, bulb not included. Thanks for watching and subscribe.